Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. We just got MODZ new Nerf bar for the Evolution D5, and we're gonna show you how to put them on today. Our customers have been calling, complaining how hard it is to get into the Evolution D5. These bad boys should help with that. Before we get started, go ahead and use a jack and 2 jack stands to jack up the cart. Go ahead and mount the frame bracket at the front of the frame and hand tighten with the bolt kit provided. On the passenger side of the cart, you'll see these cables. Just move them aside and attach the frame brackets to the cart's frame. Install the first bracket as close to the front tire as possible. Then install the remaining brackets 14 inches inside to inside from the front bracket. Go ahead and mount the step mount brackets to the frame brackets and hand tighten with nuts and bolts provided. When attaching the step mount bracket, make sure the slants are flush and the 90-degree bend is facing out. The Nerf bar originally comes with an end cap. We're gonna go ahead and remove that. The end cap has 2 Phillip head screws. Just go ahead and remove those. This is also a good time to remove your MODZ colored panel if you plan on painting it to match your cart. Now go ahead and grab your short Nerf bar, and we're gonna remove the top 2 10mm nuts and bolts. Now with the end cap removed, go ahead and join the 2 Nerf bars together. Once your 2 Nerf bars are together, grab your 10mm socket and wrench and tighten those bolts down. Now we're going to take the 2 Nerf bars and attach them to the step mount brackets. Make sure the smaller Nerf bar is in the back of the cart and the larger Nerf bar is in the front of the cart. For this next part, we recommend grabbing a friend to hold the Nerf bars while you tighten down the bolts. But I'm going to show you how to do it alone with the jack. Grab your remaining hardware and use it to attach your Nerf bars to your 4 mount brackets. Make sure to hand tighten the nuts and bolts so we can adjust your Nerf bars later. You can now reposition your jack to line up your Nerf bars so they sit evenly with the cart. Now, grab a 13mm socket and tighten down the bolts. To avoid stripping your bolts, make sure to start slow when using an impact. You're all set. Remove the jack and stands, then repeat the same steps on the other side. Wow, these turned out really good. If you like the way they look and you want to get a pair of your own Nerf bars, go to golfcartking.com and we'll have the link below. This golf cart is ready for its new home. If you have any questions about the install video or if these Nerf bars are going to fit on your golf cart, leave a comment below and we'll try to help. Please like and subscribe and we'll see you guys next week.